The original startup process of the Bambu Lab A1 takes the length of an entire song. The heat bed keeps vibrating for repeated checks, followed by several nozzle wiping motions. Too many startup actions, not only a waste of time. But serious wear on the bed, nozzles, and timing belts. The belts even started shedding debris from all that vibration. So I took matters into my own hands. I optimized the vibration checks, nozzle wipes, and heating logic. Since the nozzle wipe is removed, the only manual step left is to carefully trim off any leftover filament. After optimization, the startup takes only 55 seconds. Let's jump into the side-by-side comparison. The original A1 closed source XYZ calibration is fully preserved. Coordinate detection completed in 16 seconds. The printer is still heating up. From room temperature to extrusion ready, not a single second wasted. At this point, the filament starts to extrude. Even the purge step has been optimized. No fan noise, clean and quiet. At 40 seconds, the nozzle is almost at target temperature. The nozzle loading line of filament comes out. Startup complete, printing begins. While the stock code is still busy shaking, wiping, and heating slowly, the optimized version is already heating, purging, and printing. If you use the A1, you've got to try this startup code. Replace for a minute and 30-second frustration with 55 seconds of pure performance. An efficient startup solution specially designed for A1 has been packaged and launched online. Click the link to pay to get it.